So welcome to Arkansas, Little Rock. So this is 401 highway. Char, what highway is this there? No, it's not 401. 30 highway.
No, that's not I-30. I can't remember.
Oh,
630. I don't know.
my sister doesn't.
Ayun na i-post me guys. I'm not familiar. I
No,
know the
it's
road.
fine. This is just for the record. We're just strolling around Little Rock. Char. Little Rock natin na. Ang highway inyong hangpaan.
Yes.
Little Rock is the capital of Arkansas, is it?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Same in Canada.
There's the capital. Di ba yung pinuntahan natin?
Yeah, I've been here before. Central High School, National Historic. So we're heading to what place is that there?
That's the capital.
No, we're heading to
Park Plaza.
Park Plaza. Okay.
That right there is the Arkansas Children's Hospital. This
Okay, wow, Children's Hospital, Arkansas. Malaki, no?
Yes. It's private.
It's a big one. So there's the traffic. My sister said it's the traffic. Get faster,
No, you
faster.
have
But
not
there's
seen-
no traffic.
I've not seen it because there's no school.
Okay,
Hindi
yeah.
pa lumabas yung mga ano, yung mga, hey, that's the center there, that's the corporate, ano, there. So, by the time mag-out pa sila ng mga 4:10, 4:15, I wanna be driving here.
Oh yeah. There's no school.
5 o'clock,
Some people
5:30.
wait.
It clears up at 6.
Yeah, today is January 2025. January 2025. January 3, okay.
January 4th. January 4th.
January 4th. So the school begins January 6th. That's Monday. So that's why no traffic yet.
That's the VA hospital right there.
VA?
Yeah.
Vatican Hospital.
Oh my God.
So that's LVA Medical Center. There,
Children's
player.
Hospital there. Come
Wait.
on, mister, like, go on.
Alam, nice ang ano nila, hospital. What is UAMS?
University of Arkansas Medical Sciences. I think.
Oh, nice building.
They're a university hospital.
Yeah, so Little Rock Zoo. Oh, nandun ang ating mga relatives.
Diba, dumaan na tayo dito when we went to Priya's birthday.
Yeah, you know, I'm not good in navigation. And Fairport Boulevard University.
This is going to, ito yung dinadrive ko papunta sa, ano ni Priya, when we went to the volleyball ng summer. From the house to here, there. Kuya, like,
Freeway Medical?
Hindi, dito.
Ito
This
yung way.
university.
Oh.
This University of ULR is on that way, left side.
Oh.
Basta lang
And
ginawang
it's
kapuya lagi.
South University. Oh,
1 week into 2 weeks then, 2 weeks.
ang layo-layo din kaya. So, I think Rafa Elohi. This is Little Rock Dermatology Clinic.
Kasama ka kita.
Nakita na ko si Rafa. Rafa, minito yung Rafa. Dito Rafa, buwang. Besides man, nakita ko yung vlog din kaya sa iba. Ganito lang sila mag-vlog there.
Huh?
Oo. Yung Little Rock, kasi before ako pumunta dito, inano ko muna ang gano, okay.
Ikot lang sa Little Rock.
Oo, ikot lang talaga sila.
Oh shoot, I got a wrong lane.
They get a wrong lane.
I don't normally go this way, I go the back road.
So,
I go Cantrell.
okay, you see the Chipotle over there and Dillard's. So, I think McDonald's is here too. Welcome to McDonald's. Because
Color per.
okay, Cheese St. Vincent.
See, it's
Sa Markham. Baka makakita tayo ng mga koya dito. Mexican man din ang Chipotle. Corner store. How many dealers here? 2?
no, there's one here in Little Rock, and then one in North Little Rock, and then one in Hot Springs, one in Benton, I think, Arkadelphia, city by city. Not all
so
cities,
just one.
but if the city is
okay.
big enough, then yes.
Okay, there's a good one. So, yeah, ganito lang yun sila. Ikot-ikot. Maong nakana ka, okay. So, ang Arkansas Little Rock, same lang siya ng London, Ontario. Not London, France. Saan na siya? Okay, Park Plaza. Matingalan din si Kuya nga nung videohan man ko. So, here we are. Mr. Bruce. So, Dillard's. So, Dillard's is one of the biggest mall here in Arkansas. Is it? So, it's like SM in the Philippines.
No, it's not SM.
No.
It's just clothes. There's no groceries here.
Oh, yeah. So, it's more on... Yeah. There's a lot of expensive things too if you want to shop. Buwik. Hulo ka kuya sa ilo car. Okay, so we're here and we gotta go. Bye for now.